How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Blake Check and welcome to the interior of my 2018 Tesla Model 3 Performance. In today's short video, we're going to be wrapping the dashboard trim in carbon to match the center console using a kit that I ordered from Tesbros. If you recall, I previously made a YouTube short where I magically wrapped the center console in my Tesla, but I didn't have enough wrap to match the dashboard at the time. It's taken a while, but I finally found a carbon wrap product that pretty closely resembles the one that I already have installed in my car on Tesbros website, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and install this kit. So this video isn't meant to be prescriptive or instructive in any way. It's purely meant for entertainment purposes, because I'm not an expert on this stuff. You guys know that. I've only ever wrapped like 3 things before in my entire life, but that should make you guys feel good. If I can do this and it comes out looking okay, that means you can definitely do it. And also, Tesbros already makes really good how-to videos for all the products that they sell on their website that require some installation. In fact, as I'm installing this product, you'll notice that I have their how-to video pulled up on the center screen in my Tesla, and I'll have this same video linked in the description below for any of you that decide you want to buy it for yourselves. Alright, that's enough talking for now. Let's go ahead and cue that installation time lapse. I think that's where I want to leave things for today. Thanks for watching this far into the video. I just wanted to bring you guys along as I quickly installed one of Tesbros' super cool and super affordable Tesla accessories. Now, if you read the title of this video, you already know that I am currently hosting a giveaway in partnership with Tesbros. The details on how to enter the giveaway are going to be linked in the description below. But basically, all you have to do is, 1, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And by the way, if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being a day one supporter, for subscribing before I had to start bribing people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for that. But yeah, and then step 2, all you have to do is go on Twitter, follow me there too if you're not already, at the Blake Check, and then leave me a DM. That's the only way I know that you, a subscriber, have entered the giveaway. So I need a way to get in touch with you. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't have a way for me to do that, so I'm going to be doing it that way. Just jump on over to Twitter. One more time, it's @TheBlakeCheck on Twitter, and shoot me a DM. Just let me know what you would buy if you won the $75 gift card that I'm giving away with Tesbros. Speaking of which, Tesbros, if you guys are not familiar yet, they are an aftermarket Tesla accessories company. They sell all sorts of things from car detailing kits like cleaners and sprays, stuff like that, to the protective dash wrap that you saw that I just installed, to door frame wraps, to stuff like automatic trunks and frunks. So they've got it all. I definitely recommend going over there and checking out some of their inventory. And most of their stuff on their website you can save 10% on by just using my discount code BlakeCheck. They're going to be linked in the description below as well. They also have an instructive, detailed instructive installation video for just about everything that they sell, including this dash wrap kit. That'll be linked in the description below too. I know that this one wasn't super informative. It was probably shot in like 8 times speed, so it's not going to be super easy to see what's going on there. So hop on over there if you are installing that kit. One more thing. If you are an Arizona Tesla owner or enthusiast, I want to invite you guys down to Wild Horse Pass Motorsports Park next Friday, September 17th at 6 p.m. A few of us Model 3 Performance owners are actually going to be racing each other and some other cars at the drag strip. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I'll definitely be making a video on that too. So that'll probably be the next video that you guys see on the channel. So don't miss out on that. Make sure again that you are subscribed to my channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss that video. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. This has been BlakeCheck, and that's a wrap.